Yamwakwa Badwam TV Badwam Jumedi no eso de edu so no Badwam kase wadaroma share live on Facebook /Adom TV Extra say Go TV 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube a wo search Adom TV 2 wo benya ye ni Jumedi ayede ebe ensem we ni bebre nso o log kwa adomonline.com a wo benya bia no pensam na de ba no ne etodwa wo mu bia wo betini National Media Commission penifo de kokobo na ema radio station and media stations ahodo bi a wa free ase abo wo mo kokko wo nyuma bi a wo ya wo ebepem sa be oguso ye no wan hwe ya wo beto station no ye de honsam no ebebro afi ye beko school placement nso abata ni atoto chese na so ye so aboto ye mu ento wonyam na penifo oguso ye de obetumi be obi a beko school sade tie eno ne sembi na no pay medebro Adom TV Badwam kase bididi afia amankwa tamaklo afia didi abientie said nsem chiremu ankasa etie Executive Director our National Media Commissioner no George Sapon e de kokobo na ema media stations bia osusuo se wadwuma na wo ye no wo ye amane afiri ho so won hwe won ho ye odi kan bobo won kokode won gusu aye wan hwe a won behunu bie mu no na station no ene yetu.
In the case of Onua, they are not necessarily in the category of indecent or obscene material that we are dealing with. They are doing something worse and something more terrible. In the case of Oyerepa, it contains, we wish that we wouldn't have to say this publicly, but it contains the most obscene kind of content that anybody has seen. We are telling the truth that if the trend continues, they will be candidates for closure.
And which General Secretary the Magana Journalists Association Kofi Yeboah and so they are destroyed to commission enemy say.
I am also thinking that even as we are calling out the radio stations, the two radio stations, so it will also be very important that we are zeroing in on the particular programs that have been very sinful, so that we are not creating the impression that the station in its entirety is that sinful.
About any tutuogu won samoni chichu ne wonu ma school placement ronya baby nko yenti womo hahai ne no enam penifo de to won ani mu se wom se nei one edi kind of from 1 for no de won mo esua de nenso mema won mo eyam nhihye won se de tie bia no won so benya school akọ deputy national coordinator de ma free SHS secretariat na fresh ikamensa ele de sansemi etudwa.
Per se, I assure parents they shouldn't panic. They should stay mute within 72 hours. No issues, nobody about hanging. Yabekwana, Yakako, Yahumanti, Ubi Ankana command to him, Ubi Ababekus, the AJJ, Naya Diako, Ama, my movement, Yadiaqua, Umugus or Moye Human.
On which you know, GNEC, National Coordinator, Benis Imperijach, that to go there. Sasha Kona was our madam, or from one coach school now, Onusha, and Chair was share no 200 mana.
We say school placement need to make place majority of the students and also it's a good one. But ye share emre na ye de mama fani so munko school na isa. Because ebi enye school ye ne mofani bi akasa afiansa na mo koye self placement. Ebi nso omo de omo to school sa eye day school. Nanso omo nti kro ne mu nti na wo so omo san kona ye kosesa omo e wo correction center ho. Internet ehwese am frey omunya school see time omo self placement omo be kwakoye all those corrections no na chese mre a wo so omo de bo omo hu ko school no esa
yama asam no so a e be ko deze asam nechi ni yama Adom ahwefo netefo ona so ate kojo mensa abrampa na manzebo
Empire so senior high school memu abi ayesuso so won koto won suku ni ba ko emona no ene yakwakopie mu won kokko district court ama yede bail ato won so a wotua ho sika 20,000 Ghana cedi kase no etwaso
Juvenile court won kokko district court his worship Isaac J and etinadwamu and ashese awofo a
ebeto dwa se wo mannum akwakɔkyere abaaye bi akwakɔto ne monano wonko pesuku foforo ma abaaye no won kran na won san so pe baabi ema ne ntena ebra wo de saa enipa num yi ekogina court no wagitu mu sampa wo fa abaaye yi nanso wo mu nyina anya antum se wo yere no na emom wagitu mu se wone ne da yampa eno achi court wasa hye social welfare department enya nhwehwemu emfa adesuafo yi esuku kromu na wonko womfie nso enkobusa wo hunsem fa hunsem emeto court wanim eda obetena asem ne so biem na me ense beto dwa se wode wo ho aka nwura no court wahye se suku mpanimfo ne aposifo nka mom se beye obetimi akyere wo mu.
Adom TV Badwam kase na aguso ehwe no na yede mo konsam foforo mu o man yegu ahoboa so den kwa akoto aba eyi mampani na fame rahye bedwafo ne kodu sa no so a ya na eye Judicial Service of Ghana one more eye enhyehyeye ya hoboa mu bibia se de amamra no ese wa abato mu na de to so numi eno ada one more pa ho entoma.
This 5th edition of the Manual on Election Education in Ghana, like the previous editions, contain all the requisite constitutional provisions on the conduct of both presidential and parliamentary elections, including statutory and subsidiary legislations, as well as relevant and special procedural rules on the conduct of these elections. It also has a compendium of relevant cases decided by the Superior Courts of Judicature on elections and other related matters. Indeed, the manual offers the user substantive and procedural materials in election adjudication.
Chief Justice Getu Tukonu enso edinsemse etudwa.
Elections are by their very nature tense affairs involving the investment of energy, passion, and resources. The judiciary, therefore, needs to be adequately supported to focus on law, rights, and the frameworks to give access to justice, no matter the level of potential for conflict and misunderstanding that is generated by the contesting parties.
Apostle Emmanuel Teteya, General Secretary, the Ghana Pentecostal and Charismatic Council. Now, one day, so one any Christian Council of Ghana, Muslim Council, Ebeka one bomo apau peace campaign, the whole entuma November was made at Osomian, Sabotani about almost Rasumji Amome.
Ye Asumje Yabobia Yatudin say peace campaign launch. A war forecourt of the State House. Da ye no a Sunday, Kwesiada away in 3rd November, and na yede church sajumedie na ase. For the first time, ye man yimono, ye wo vice president otidwemu meka se was serve ne 8-year term ewie na ne party asen yinasi ho se onye franketuni ema won. Ena NDC nso wo mo flag bearer eye His Excellency former President Mama ono nso wabedi presidenti pen ema ye tuna de so ye elections edi no na say ne party esen yinasi ho se ombedi wo mo anim elections yi mu sansem mienu yi ema elections yi ofami enu ni nyina wo mo ani abre se kwan bia so no ensese obi edinjo enu nti na ye peace campaign launch no ama yehia ye bompa nyame Adom a ya tunsa frɛ His Excellency President Akufo-Addo obebabi eni abekasa all the flag bearers war political parties no independent candidates tunsa afre wo mo yetu ye hofo se ma obi biara enko kansem enko ye bibia ebe pegya basabasa yo entokwa ewo ye man mu yenim se eduru abato a na amanfo ensem ka ne eneye bi aba na yepese yesre abato yi enye entokwa eya adwenkyere eye obia kire nia opeso oye edeboa ye man
Presidential candidate Dema MPP Amanyoko ye mampani abedi akire Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na wo say NDC Franka Tuni John Dramani Mahama edwane debate no oni idea bia odwane kura firi ho eno so nsam ode tudwa ene
Mibisa umampenyi dada mesi umampenyi dada kire yen adie baako nhihye baako a ode ababoa Ghana fo dum so ana I confirm. Doom so I confirm. Baku. Wait me. No say oh no. Why you ma sing? And I say, would you who this? Why you ma sing? Brian ye debate 1-on-1. Mano a mano. Omba. We Johnny. Osro. We Johnny to say Kukon kitty. We Johnny.
Yeguswa wo MPP presidential candidate Nensema wodi tudwa eho na nei de wo kan biemo so ene Women's Trade Empowerment Fund no eba sa de beti aboa ma tichu ne adwadefo wo betumi anya sika de aboa wo mo enwuma.
In terms of soft loans ebe ma adwadefo na enye bank na ye hihye no we enye bank na ye maame no bebre o se ko banka omuntimi nko mese betro we a omuntimi nchro sa Women's Trade Empowerment Fund ade a ye bebisa o se fabra na beji usika no eyo Ghana card eno anu no ko Ghana card na ye behwe na ye di sika no ama enti ebeye easy kra ama obia na omotimi epija omo ejuma no omo businesses no na yetimi akọ na yie
okoje dom apia kubi eye sankore hene
enti sansam ya oka ye nyina media megidi se oba no obeyama ye ne a Ghana ibenya nkoso pa media de mesra na ne se the minister ko manya ye tanachi ya bompa ya ma ne se de wo hwehwe bia ne sanka ya de mpaabo ene ye bomawo kwapim se ehunu se Ghana adwene ewo trim wo hihya ni policy se kura wo nyina so ebebo oman
Maminyira no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na bema kwan na no pay de asi aseda na yawo dia emre ne adaje abribia no ode ma yenti na emu mesre obiem so obetwen ye fisa fe ne ye de bon krata no ene online de no so mo ye nchakura ye kwaba ne atwaso